Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are back in Puglia today, specifically in Polignano a Mare. And as you recall, Polignano a Mare was voted the friendliest place on earth by all the people on TripAdvisor. So you know it's a really, really nice place to be. It is also a very desirable area. Now this beautiful villa is brand new. 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, outdoor kitchen, beautiful garden with swimming pool, underfloor heating, air conditioning, everything you need. It's only 10 minutes from Polignano a Mare Old Town and about 12 minutes from the sandy beaches. And around the area are towns like Locorotondo. You're not that far from Alberobello or even from Lecce and all these other wonderful towns in Puglia. It's a wonderful jumping off point. Check it out, guys.